my god.
Oh, so close. Oh, so close. In fact, go back and watch that again. Go back and watch that again. Did he sort of squeeze himself into a little smaller piece? Did he move his hand? I think he moved his hand. He was afraid he was actually going to hit me. That's how close he was. I was not moving. No, not for a f***ing cyclist.
Dave!
Did you really just do that? It did? Oh, you poor little soul. You poor person. That person could have stayed back, as it should have done, to let you out. And oh, what a family friendly Maisie Mill. What a family friendly. Oh wow. We're gonna kill some cyclists today, boys and girls. And for the person sat there about to smash your knob on the keyboard and say, oh, what are you doing in the middle of the road, Benji? Stop driving in the middle of the road. It's a one-way system, my friend. It's a one-way system. Put your hands away. Get your hands off the keyboard. Go. Stop. Go. Stop. Go. Oh wow, man! Wow, some special. All that road, yeah, all that road there. There's a massive bit of road you can park on, even though it's not technically allowed parking down there. You can still park. You had to park on island, the bit where people cross, the most narrow part of the road where no one can overtake you. You inconsiderate little fuck. Ooh la la! Ooh!
Oh dear.
Alexi, make some sad noises.
Oh, why?
Cry, just pretend to cry. Oh, no.
I'm so sad.
Thank you.
Why?
Look at the state of his mirror. I feel bad for that.
Which one?
Whoa, don't you flap at me, you mental case. How dare you? How dare you? Ooh. Shark, Maisie Mill. I know, what a shark. So to sum up what happened, he pushed himself out, forced me, or he wanted to force me to stop for him, and then he flaps at me as if I'm doing something wrong. So what I do with people like that, when they try to force themselves into the road, I don't let them go. I'll go round them, I'll make them wait, because that's what they wanted to do to me. So it's fair enough, isn't it? It's fair treatment, you know. Give you a taste of your own medicine. That's how I roll. Fucking idiot. Oh, it seems like they're about today, doesn't it? It seems like they're everywhere. A good parking. Good luck getting past that in your wheelchair. It's just pure selfish, isn't it? There's no there is no defending that. There's no excuse for parking like that. It's just pure selfishness, man. Driving lessons with Benji. Don't park like an ass. You know what? I know this is like bad drivers of Bristol. I know this is a bad driving channel, but is very rare that you get someone who stops a reasonable distance behind you in Bristol. So I'm going to have to congratulate this lady. Well done, my lovely. It's nice to see considerate people about now and again. Now and again is the key word because it doesn't happen very often. La 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 la. La 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 la. Shooby dooby 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 doo doo. Hey, yay! It's a sexy looking. Oh, the bus just pulled out in front of me. Oh, what a bad bus driver! Bad bus driver. Pulled out on that guy as well. Go and smash into the back of him. Beep beep. Oh, what an excellent company name and excellent number plate. What a legend. Is it just me or is there something about bald men in convertibles, middle-aged bald men in convertibles that screams midlife crisis? I don't know, it might be just me, but yeah. Oh, come on, midlife crisis, hurry up, get on with it. I don't know, midlife crisis is starting to upset me just a tad, just a little tiny little bit. Oh, thank you. Legend, thank you. I'll tell you what, there's some nice people about in Bristol today. I'm enjoying my drive. I am enjoying my commute today. It's pleasurable. Oh, not the speed bumps though. Speed bumps are definitely not pleasurable. That's one thing you gotta love about the road designers and the city planners in Bristol. They make roads with 20 speed limits, but then the speed bumps means you can go like no faster than 5, otherwise you're going to kill your spine. And then you got 30 limits with massive speed bumps, so you got to go like 15 over the speed bumps because you destroy your spine. Well done, Bristol City Council, you bunch of legends. What are you doing, you moose? Do you love it when people look at you, watch you go round the roundabout, see that you're indicating, and it keeps staring at you, wait till you're just about to get to them, and then they pull out? Don't you really love them people? Just in case you were wondering why I went round a mini roundabout, when you shouldn't really do that, you should avoid doing that, Benji. It's because the stupid road layout up here stops you from going up this road, so you have to go round that mini roundabout to get up here, that you have no other choice. So yeah, well done Bristol City Council for doing that. Yeah, knobheads. Oh, I'm sorry, Grandad, is the speed limit a problem for you? Is me doing what is legally required of me a problem for you in your sports van GTI? I am so sorry. I am very sorry, Grandad. Sit there shaking your head at me, you miserable fuck. Oh, hello. Good parking. The thing is, when you park like an idiot, hazard lights don't do anything. They mean nothing, okay? It just, if anything, it draws attention to yourself. You just put your hazard lights on to tell everyone that you've just parked like an idiot. It's not actually, there's no point putting your hazards on if you park like an idiot. You're not doing anyone any favours. You're not doing yourself any favours. Just don't do it. Just don't park like an idiot. Unless you drive a BMW, and of course then it's absolutely fine. So, continue.
Oh, pissy, aren't I?
Yeah. How dare me pull onto a driveway? How dare me? How dare me, Alexei?
How dare you?
Get out now.
Kiss.
Get out.
Give me a kiss.
No.
Give me a kiss.
People might be watching.
Don't care. Give me a kiss. No, on the lip. Oh, that's poor.
Dirty bitch.
Oh, that's compliment.